In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find element codes in Canva. If you've ever wanted a quick way to identify an element's collection and pull up similar graphics later, this is the most reliable method. We'll walk through it slowly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure the design you want to work on is on the screen and fully loaded. Next, click the element on your canvas that you want to learn more about. This could be an icon, an illustration, a shape, or any graphic you added from Canva's library. It's important that you're selecting the individual element itself, not a text box or the entire page background, so the correct options appear. With the element selected, right-click directly on it to bring up the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. From that menu, choose Info. This opens a small details window that gives you metadata about the element. The Info option is designed to surface the origin and collection details, so you can trace where the element came from within Canva's library. Inside that Info view, click View Collection. This is the key step. When you do, Canva will open the left-hand panel and show a curated set of graphics that belong to the same collection as your selected element. You'll notice these items share a consistent style, color palette, and line weight, which is useful when you're trying to keep your design cohesive. At the top of that left panel, in the search bar, you'll see a set code. This is the identifier Canva uses for that collection. Think of it as the collection's label. Having the code visible in the search bar makes it easy to recognize and reference later, and it ensures you're looking at the exact family of elements that match your chosen style. If the Info option doesn't appear, double-check that you clicked a Canva library element rather than a grouped object or a background. Selecting the specific element usually reveals the Info command. Also keep in mind that interface labels can vary slightly based on updates, but the flow remains the same. Open your project, select the element, right-click and choose Info, then select View Collection. The similar content loads on the left, and the set code shows in the search bar. That's all there is to it. Follow these clicks, and you'll always be able to find the element set code and browse perfectly matched graphics for a polished, consistent design.